Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's, I'm gonna show how to fix the webcam freezing in Skype in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type registry editor and hit enter, or right click and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on yes. In this new window, one moment, go to the next directory, go to HK local machine, select software, select WoW 6432 node, go to Microsoft and browse Windows Media Foundation. And select platform. In this new, delete this option, select platform, and in the blank space select new key, DWORD 32 value, and rename with EnterFrameServerMode. EnterFrameServerMode. And click on the blank area or blank space area, double click and select this value. This value data is 0 and base value is hexadecimal, and one click and restore your folder architecture and close this window. And to apply the change, restart your computer, go to the start menu and select power up button and click on restart. Login in your desktop. And your problem has been fixed. You can run or try run the Skype application and log in with your account, and your webcam has been fixed. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.